Hello everyone, this is LaLiLu.
And Lolly. Phew, this is so heavy. Phew, I'm tired.
Lolly, what do you have there? Wow, such a little dress.
You know how much I love Huntrix!
We're the queens of the game, better know our name. Crown on our heads.
Today, we're gonna create a new look for Rumi, for this little one. Hello, everyone.
The idea is super cool. Let's get started quickly. Let's pick a cool outfit. No, that's not it. Not that either. I'll look for something in Rumi style.
This doesn't work. Neither does this or this. None of this is right.
But there's nothing left.
Wait a minute, I still have more.
Wow, what a cute dress. Maybe this will work?
Yes, it's cute, but not for Rumi. Let's try something else.
Okay, let's try more and more. Still nothing here.
What are we gonna do?
Got it. You go shopping and I'll look for something in the workshop.
Hooray, shopping! Woohoo, stores, here I come. What a huge mall. I'll definitely find something. I'll look here. Trendy, but not quite right. Wow, what's this? So beautiful, cool. I look just fabulous in it. Ooh, you look just like a princess. Yeah, I'm a beauty.
Miss, are you going to buy something or not?
No, I'm just looking. Handbags.
Oh, what kind of chaos is this?
Oops, sorry.
Nightmare.
All right, I'll keep looking. And what's this? I want it! I'm buying it.
Finally.
Take my money. So, shall we roll out? Hey, just roll already.
Need some help?
Yes, please.
There. Oh, wow, a surprise ball. What's inside? Take a peek. It's Rumi.
Hi.
Give her a brand new hairstyle. Take some Play-Doh. Press it onto her head. Shape a braid. Purple glitter.
Wow.
Sprinkle it on top. Put on a t-shirt. Add a heart decoration. A new skirt. How should we make it fabulous? Sewing machine. Slime. A 3D pen. That's it. Decorate the skirt. It turned out so stylish. A bright outfit and a cool hairstyle. Did you like Rumi's look? Then leave your likes under this video. Time to play on the playground. Rumi feels a little lost.
Where are all the kids?
Maybe they're in the sandbox? Let's check.
No one here either.
The little one feels lonely and sad. But here come Zoe and Mira.
Hello. Let's be friends.
Okay.
Now we're a team.
Ooh. Mira has an idea.
Hopscotch. Wow.
Take turns jumping.
Okay.
I'll go first.
1, 2, yay! It's time for some singing practice.
Now we'll become a real group. Yes.
And here's the first rehearsal.
Stop! But where are fans? What kind of group are we without fans?
Girls, I'm your fan. You performed a perfect 10.
Woohoo!
Keep singing, you can do it.
No giving up. You're right.
The music attracted some listeners.
Huntrix are the best.
Rumi feels so inspired.
We did it!
Yay! You're so talented, but someone has to go to school. Choose a color for the backpack. Which one? Of course, purple. Get some sparkly foam paper. Glue the sides and the bottom together. Add a flap on top. Decorate with a golden star. And lots of stylish stickers. Wrap it with a rhinestone ribbon. Cut 2 thin strips. Now we have straps. The perfect school backpack is ready. Do you like the backpack? Write in the comments.
Thank you, LaLiLu. It's time for me to go.
Rumi arrived at class. Wow, what's this on the bulletin board?
Huh? A singing contest.
You can sign up right here.
This is my chance. I just need a pen. Where is it?
Look more carefully. A microphone? Makeup? Her backpack has everything but a pen. Good thing her friends came.
Here you go, Rumi. Thanks. Girls, let's join together. Yes, let's do it.
Now the friends can write down their group name. Huntrix.
We're in the contest. Woohoo! Let's start getting ready. Yes, let's go.
Huntrix are ready for the concert. Wow, the girls are real stars. They're doing so well. The crowd is cheering. Woohoo! And now, hip-hop. Wow, amazing moves.
Huntrix, Huntrix!
The show was brilliant.
Thank you.
And now the Saja boys take the stage.
Our rivals.
Here come the boy band.
Got this feeling in my chest.
The girl fans are screaming with joy. Wow, Huntrix are really worried about winning. Who will get the trophy? Gotta make it quickly. What materials should we use? Gotta get some metal parts. Take the pieces with you. Attach them together. Get golden paint. Perfect. Paint the trophy. Fix it onto a stand. Add some hot glue. Attach the wings. Wrap it with golden ribbon. A worthy prize for the best. And it goes to Saja boys. Thank you. Woohoo! Saja boys are so happy.
How could this be? We did everything we could. There's no reason for us to stay here.
The boys saw how upset the girls were.
Hey, wait.
What?
What is it, huh?
This is for you, Huntrix. And each of you deserves a prize. These bouquets are for you.
Thank you. Aww. Such a wonderful smell.
Let's share this victory. Your performance was amazing.
We need to celebrate.
Yay! Time for a snack. A new surprise ball. What could be inside? Open it together. Unwrap it. A yummy burger. Now the little box. Print it out on the printer. Perfect. Score the folds with a tool. Carefully bend. Where are the fries? Cut thin strips of foam paper. Prepare a serving. Wrap the burger in parchment. Put everything into the box. Happy meal is ready. Enjoy your food. Girls, help yourselves.
Thank you, but we're not hungry. Out of the way. Where's the burger? Where?
Delicious. Zoe clearly has a big appetite.
Girls, are you really not eating? Huh? No, go ahead.
Sharing food brings everyone closer. Isn't that right, Saja boys? Oh, I ate too much.
And now, a French fry battle.
Oops.
Hey!
Yay, watch out! So fun.
Oh, look, I have a mustache. Tell us in the comments how else you can spend time with friends.
Rumi needs a concert outfit. Use plastic wrap. Wrap her body. Paper tape. Cover with little pieces. Repeat after me. Super. Now draw the outlines of the clothes. The top should look like this. And the bottom like this. Carefully cut along the lines. Now we have patterns. Place them on fabric. Trace around the edges. Use scissors. Fold the pieces in half. Sew by hand. The new outfit is ready. Wow! Decorate with silk ribbons. A golden star. Pick some decorations. What do we have here? An old chain will do. Hang it on the belt. A bright keychain. Now make a jacket. You can take any fabric you like, but I love this one. Wrap the arms. Add glue. Press the ends carefully. Put on the boots. Rumi's look is ready. She turned into a real superstar! Bravo! And now it's time to rest. Sit down, Rumi. Hey, we want cucumbers too. Of course, girls, coming right up. Full relaxation. Your feet need rest too. Let's take off your boots. A bubbly, relaxing bath. So soothing. Now let's dry them. And put on some cream. Hey, Rumi, the phone is ringing. Who could it be?
Huh? Yes?
A message from the producer. Girls, the concert is starting soon. Where are you? Are you already on the plane?
Oh no, we're late for the concert.
Oops. Quick, get dressed.
We're ready.
But what about you?
Huh? 1, 2, and I'm ready to shine on stage. But we need plane tickets.
Okay. Time to make them. Gotta get colored paper. Yellow? Perfect. Cut the sheet with scissors. There's gotta be 3 pieces. 0.6 inches tall and 1.2 inches wide. Draw a line with a marker. Add the airline logo and photos for the ticket holders. The Huntrix poster will help. Carefully cut out the girls' pictures. Glue them onto the tickets. Done. Here you go, Huntrix.
I'll take them. It'll be safer this way.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Girls, I think this way.
Perfect. Everyone passed.
May I see your tickets? Where are they?
Huh? No tickets in the pockets.
Do you have them?
Do you have them?
No.
Do you have... Oh, wait. You were the one holding them, Zoe.
Hey.
I put them in the suitcase.
Let's find them quickly. Oops, Zoe got a little carried away.
Hey.
They're gone.
This one's mine. I found mine too.
But where's mine?
There it is.
Oh, right. Thank you.
The girls passed the check-in quickly. What food should we take on board? The Huntrix noodle machine. Place an order. Put in the money. Pick the one you want. Oops, no more noodles. No worries, make some ourselves. Take a yellow paper clip. Carefully bend it out. Grab a straw. Wrap it around to make a curly noodle. Fill the little cups. Stick on name labels. Cover them with lids. Put them on the table. Water for cooking. Now it's time for a snack. Let's go. Over here, over here.
Well, can we look now?
Huh? Surprise! Wow! Oh, so many yummy things.
My favorite noodles.
No, you can't eat them yet. First, we have to cook them.
Always with your rules.
Bleh. Carefully pour hot water over the noodles.
Is it ready yet?
Nope. How about now? We have to check. What a smell. Yes, it's ready. So tasty.
Yummy.
There's chicken and burgers too. My mouth is watering.
Finally, I can enjoy noodles in peace and quiet.
Oh no, the plane is shaking.
No!
Oops. My noodles. Hello, producer. We need more ramen, fast.
XXXL size.
Oof. A special delivery from LaLiLu.
Hello.
Yay, thank you. Woohoo! There's enough for everyone. The girls need to appear like real stars. Cut a sheet of foam paper in half. Glue the short sides together. Carefully add glue. Roll it into a tube. Prepare red straws. Cut them. Thread a toothpick through. Attach to the platform. There go posts. Take a satin ribbon. Stretch it between the posts. Silver toppers on top. A little suitcase with diamonds. Wow! Decorate the joints. Make another piece. Roll out the carpet. Everything's ready for the big entrance. The fans are cheering for Huntrix.
We love you!
The girls are shining in the spotlight. Hello, everyone. The way to the stage is ahead. Too many fans.
Woohoo!
Rumi can't get through.
Hey.
Excuse me. Her friends will help, as always.
Huntrix! Huntrix!
The crowd of fans is moving closer.
Oh!
sorry, you can't cross the line. Please stay behind the barrier. Much better. Now the girls can go up to the stage.
Can I have your autograph?
Of course, sweetie. Huntrix love their fans.
Selfie time!
Say cheese. The concert was amazing.